Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Meenal. So in this video I am going to answer all the most asked questions on my Instagram or TikTok account. I'll answer the 10 most asked questions in this video. So here are my 10 most asked questions. I filtered them from my TikTok and Instagram. So here the first question is, are you a Hindu or a Muslim? It's basically like I don't follow a single religion, like a particular religion. I don't follow anything like that because my mom is a Hindu and my dad is a Muslim. So I follow all the religions and I believe that all the gods are equal and one. And the next question is, what's your age? So guys, my age is 18. Recently परसों April 22nd को मेरा birthday था. On that day I turned 18. So my age is 18. So the third question is, will you act in any movie if you get a chance, and if yes, with which actor you would like to act with? If I get a chance, I'll definitely act in movie, and actor will be Vijay Deverakonda. If you all follow me on Instagram, then you will definitely know that how die-hard fan I am of Vijay Deverakonda. Next question is, what will you do if someone hacked or your TikTok account got blocked and you lost all your followers? This question was epic. First thing is, there are no chances of TikTok account getting hacked. If I post any bad content or violation content, then my TikTok account may get blocked, but I'm not going to post anything like that. And if I lose all my followers, I'll again start doing videos because all my followers will definitely know my face, so I think they'll get back. And the fifth question is, what are your goals? Are to complete my degree, then my higher studies and get a good job. And the sixth question, the best question is, who is my favorite TikTok star? It's very hard for me to judge who is my favorite TikTok star, but most of the videos I like on TikTok are of Aves Darbar. I feel like he creates all the best contents on TikTok. His contents are unique, his dance is best, he's the best creator on TikTok. What would you like most about yourself? There are many things I like about myself. That is my smile, my helping nature, my kindness. There are many things. I like everything about myself. Like, I just love myself. And the eighth question is, what will you change about yourself if you could? What would I change about myself is, my answer mostly will be nothing, because I just love the way I am. If it's compulsory, like it's mandatory to answer, then I will change my anger. I will definitely change my anger if I get a chance to change something in myself. And the ninth question is, where are you from? I am from Telangana, Hyderabad city. 10th question is, do you have a sibling? Yes, I do have a sibling. I have a sister who is younger than me and who always irritates me, fights with me. Right now also, doing this video, she is disturbing me playing PUBG. Do you also like playing PUBG? But guys, guess what? I hate PUBG. I hate PUBG. So these were my 10 most asked questions on my Instagram or TikTok account. So I hope I answered the questions well. If you all have any other questions or you all want to know more about me, then do comment and let me know what your questions are, so that I can create a part 2 of this video. And please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Keep loving and supporting me. Bye bye.